Hi guys, it's Jama Malmy, and today I wanted to share this cute little 4x4 album that I made for my dad for his birthday. Now this is part of Stacy Julian's new line with Close to My Heart called Story by Stacy, and this is the story starter, and it was really fun and quick to put together. The hardest part was choosing the photos. And I added a few products to the kit that were kind of fun. One is a Central Park alphabet stickers, the Central Park compliments, fun little stickers and stuff, and then the Picture My Life birthday cheer cards. And these are a mixture of 4x6 and 3x4 cards, sort of like Project Life cards. It's a birthday theme, but there's a lot of cards in here that are not birthday, they're just the colors. So I chose those colors because they go with this little album. So anyways, without further ado, here is the start. I did mine on family, and since it is for my dad's birthday, it revolved around him. So this is where I used those stickers. And then I started it with pictures of my mom and dad. Now this photo collage I did in Pic Collage. I did another video on how to use Pic Collage. I will link to that below if you're interested in learning how to do that. And also how to then print it on my selfie printer. And then here is one of the Picture My Life cards. This whole background, the flowers, these, that's all part of the card. And then here's one of the stickers I added. And this was the 4x6 card that I cut down to 4x4, so it made it really easy. And then I'm sort of telling the story briefly about how it all started. There's me and my dad when I was little, and then that was last year. And then here's my sister. And then I started journaling a little bit more, but still kept it pretty basic. The idea behind this line is to tell more of the story. You tell the story and then choose the pictures. I had a lot of pictures chosen, and then I ended up sort of deciding what story I was going to write and then choosing the pictures. So I sort of did it the right way, but also a little bit backwards. And then when we got married, so that's my dad and me, my dad and my sister, and then that was at my sister's wedding. We got married 5 months apart actually. And now we get into grandkids. So this is my sister's kids. Well, that's my little guy, but this little collage is about my sister's kids because they were the grandkids for my dad and my mom first. I added just little stickers every now and then just to add a little bit. And then obviously I have more pictures of my kids. So I did a whole page of my dad with my daughter. She was the third grandchild. And then my dad with my son. Again, a little sticker. These journaling cards come with the kit, so you get lots of these. You get twice as many as you need. In my case, since I didn't use them on every spread, I had more than twice as many I needed, and let me tell you, I used almost all of them because I kept messing up on my journaling, so that is why they give you extras, and it came in handy. And then I talked about how all the grandkids like to hang out together, and then I addressed it to my mom and dad, because I know my mom's going to look through this, but I did focus it on my dad, obviously. At some point I'll do one for my mom too. And then here is our family, although this is before my son was born. My daughter was just a baby, but I don't have a lot of pictures of all of our family because we don't live close together. This is one of the quote cards. It comes with a couple of quote cards from the kit. And then it comes with a card that says created with love, but I decided to use one of the Picture My Life cards, and it already came with the banners on it, so I just wrote in created with, and then a heart for love, the year, and happy birthday. My family calls me Jaime, so that's why it says that. So that's it. It comes with 10 pages. They're 4x4 pages, and I love the bright colors. There's a few different options for the covers. They're all super cute. One is black with white polka dots. The other one is a red something. Might just be solid red. I can't remember right now, but they're super cute. They're pretty reasonable, and it comes with the whole kit. And then these are the products that are available separately. I will link everything below. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'd be happy to answer them for you. Thanks a lot and have a great day.